it's me, Ellie, the person. I'm here with my sister. We're gonna open this Wobble Wag Giggle for dogs, and it's glow in the dark. And I tested that earlier, and it works. Oh, wait.
So it really does glow, huh? Wobble Wag Giggle.
Oh, it says shake. Should we shake it first?
What's that?
When you shake it or roll it, it makes this funny sound for dogs. Hey, look, there's a German Shepard. Dog Raven.
Yeah, well, I don't think Raven's gonna like that one.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, I think she is.
It's kind of scary.
Raven's right here.
Oh, let's see if dogs really like this or is just as seen on TV.
It's not seen on TV. Ooh. And there's also the instruction. And there's Raven right there.
Oh.
Right.
Hello, Raven.
Raven's like,
What?
Raven.
Are you ready to play with this? What's it called again?
Wobble Wag Giggle.
What's it feel like?
It feels hard.
It's hard, huh?
Raven, there's these things so she can grab it.
Different holes?
Yeah.
Hold on. So, okay, we're gonna test it here in a few minutes. So, bye, we're gonna go test
Okay,
it.
guys. I want to record it.
Oh, here we are gonna record it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Driving her crazy.
No, she likes that. Definitely. I told you already.
Yeah. Raven, where are you?
Oh, she's right here.
I think the ball was saying ow. Raven, you like that? Yeah? Alright. So is this thing recommended for dogs? I know, maybe if you're a smaller dog, you might be scared of the sounds, because it sounds kind of scary. Yeah? Wait, you get it.
Alright, so we're going to do it outside this time, and so you can do it inside and outside, so we're going to do it.
I think we just throw it down the... There we go. Just as loud. Sound like an alien. So you hear what sounds it makes. Oh. So it's still just as loud as outside as inside. So it's not bad.
The inside makes an echo. Don't run. Okay, this way, Raven, this way. Okay. So now she's just sniffing.
He's like, who peed over here? Kick it over here. Kick it. There we go. Not into the pee.
Okay, now let's do it down the slide.
Alright, let's see what happens if we roll it down. Huh? Okay, come on. Well, how are you going to grab it? Alright. Alright, next experiment is we're going to bring it down the slide here. Hopefully it'll... Alright, see what happens.
Do it down the slide. So, maybe you call Raven, please.
Raven, come here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Alright. It's going to be a durability test on the rocks and slide. to playing with